Kiritato, this is confidential priority learners. This is for seniors, though. There are some variations to the juniors and some explanations about what will happen once we've completed this first section. You'll notice this year that there is a hell of a lot of colour around here, and the colour is colour coordinated. Once we have completed this, then all the colours will disappear. The colours were used so that I can identify which subjects the learners were from. You will see that someone like Mia here is in 2 subjects, geography and history. Initially, her name would have been there twice. I've just gone through and got rid of all that rubbish in terms of lots of other bits and pieces of information that you don't need, and I've taken that out. So please ensure, even though Lexi Press might be here, that we still do, that she is in stock because that's the blue. Once all that is done, then all this will disappear. Currently, the Kaiarahi column is left in so that you would know straight away who to contact. As with the gender one, this may disappear to reduce the amount of white noise in front of us. Got our subject identifications, which subjects they're going into. Okay, hopefully it is self-explanatory. Please, really important, if they have special conditions, let's get that up there now before we start. We have the 2 columns for identifying priority learners and extension. Remember, a learner can require extension. And it can be cultural extension, but they can also be a priority learner because they fall into one of those groups. That's just the systems we are working with, whether we agree with it or not. Then over here, we're back to some of our standard stuff, although again, as with the juniors, new is the at risk. Really important that you can get that done. The self-attributes are the normal stuff. Strategies, normal. Comments is new. And it's a variety of comments. In terms of the referred by, that's just so that we know who to contact if we need more details. So hopefully that is everything you need to know. There aren't too many hidden areas, and I have put some clarifications. So any more questions, just ask me and we'll go from there. Kia ora tātou.